Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kia Alexis here, and we got Andrew. He is going to be making us some buttermilk fried chicken. You guys have been asking for Andrew to make another cooking vlog, so we're back with a video. So let's tell them what we're doing now.
Alright, so this main ingredient of this is of course the buttermilk. So what I do is I get the buttermilk and then I pretty much season it with all this stuff out here. This thing is open. So I'm gonna pour this into the bowl. Probably want to see his whole thing. Save that for another time.
So this is when that's for your batter, right? Because you make the batter first when you do buttermilk? Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that, and that's black pepper. So it's gonna seem like I'm adding a lot, but this is just like a batter. So you typically have to over season these to have the flavor reach the meat.
Mm-hmm.
So next I'm gonna add some salt.
Salt it up. That wasn't a lot of salt.
Oh, I'm not done.
Oh. I didn't know you put... Well, I guess it's not too much.
No, it's not. It looks like it's just a batter.
Yeah, because it's not salty.
No.
It's really good.
And then some allspice.
And you grinded up the allspice. The allspice were wholes and he grinded it up. You have a little grind over there.
Now some Worcestershire.
Worcestershire? How you say it? Worcestershire? Worcestershire, right? I'm saying it right?
Worcestershire.
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 Some spice. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper.
And I guess you can put as much spice to your liking, like if you really want it spicy.
That's good.
Yeah. We like spicy, but not like overpowering, but we do like spicy.
And some onion powder. Garlic powder. Paprika. Some white powder. White pepper powder. I'll put the paprika right?
Yeah.
Alright, this is some chili. A little bit of Old Bay. Some spicy mustard.
And then, is that everything you put in the batter?
No.
Oh, you still put, okay. Put a little bit of
ketchup. And a little bit of turmeric for some color. And I'm also gonna put 2 eggs in there.
And then after that, you just mix it up, and then you put the chicken in it, right?
Mm-hmm. Where's my whisk? Use a fork.
So we got all the seasonings up in there, and now we're gonna mix. We're gonna mix this up, and then do you do anything else after you mix it, or after this process the chicken goes in?
No, alright. Once it's all mixed together, I just put the chicken in, and then I would say the longer you leave it to just marinate in this, the better it comes out. So
Okay.
I'd say at least an hour is always best.
So we're gonna mix this up and put in the chicken, and we'll be right back. Alright, so the chicken is marinated, y'all.
How many avocados you...
Yeah, but it's just sitting in the marinade for a little while, and then soon we're gonna season the flour and light that oil out.
Alright, so now that I've let the chicken sit in the batter for about 2 hours, I'm gonna get ready to fry it. So now I'm gonna season my flour. I kind of keep it basic, just garlic, onion powder, cayenne pepper, paprika, and black pepper. So we're gonna put all those in there and then mix it up.
It smells good. Now we just mix it.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna mix this up.
All right, now I'm gonna bread the chicken, put it in the oil. These are wingettes, so typically they take maybe 10-12 minutes to cook at 375. All right, so the oil is ready, so just get these in there.
So hungry, cannot wait to eat.
So typically I do 8 at a time. So you don't want to put too much in the oil and the temperature drops a lot.
So you want to shake it?
Making a mess. I'm gonna shake this up.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
About 20 times should be good. I'm ODing right now. All right. Got my oil ready.
You have to make sure that the temperature was perfect so we can get that nice golden brown.
All right, there we go. One more. There you go.
All right,
So you check on these in about 6 minutes. Give them a little stir, and they should be done in about 12 minutes. All right, so we're at 11 minutes. These look like they're pretty good, so I'm gonna take them out now. Look at that.
So good.
Depending.
All right, we just took out the other bit. Smells so good. You have more you have to do?
No, that's it.
Alright guys, so this is your buttermilk fried chicken. Look at how good that is. Golden brown, crispy. If you guys like this video, if you guys have any requests of any type of videos you want to see, let me know in the comments and we'll do that next. Bye guys.